go.
I'm Justin.
Hello, I'm Jason.
Hey, I'm John.
Joe.
Hi, my name is Kevon.
Go ahead, scan her.
Hi, Melissa. Janet.
Hi, I'm Amy.
I'm Brandon. This is my informative speech. The response I receive most of the time when I tell someone what degree I'm seeking is usually a thoughtful nod or maybe even a good luck. Most of us have heard of engineers before, but I'm willing to wager that the majority of us don't know quite as much about the actual field itself, other than it usually consists of a lot of math and maybe some science. My goal here today is to introduce the actual meaning and origin of the term engineering, and to explore some of the more mainstream and formal categories that many of our peers are pursuing at the university level today: civil engineering, electrical, and mechanical. The term engineering has its origin in the Latin word ingeniare, which literally means to devise or construct. The definition is as broad as the application of scientific and mathematical principles to practical ends such as the design, manufacture, and operation of efficient and economical structure, machine processes, and systems. The first engineering schools were founded in France in the mid-18th century, and America first offered it at West Point in 1802. Now most of our four-year universities are offering some type of engineering degree, and math and science courses are even being offered at the community college level. Civil engineering is the oldest and most common of the three that we will talk about today, and is even broken into subcategories in and of itself. It deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment, including works such as bridges, roads, canals, dams, and buildings. Civil is one of the more privatized categories, although much work is still done at the state and federal level. New construction is all around us: our roadways, houses, office buildings, etc. And at some point, a civil engineer is in the mix of professionals that are designing, heading, or maintaining the project. BLS.gov predicts that the profession is going to increase faster than average through 2016 and reports that civil engineers held about 256,000 jobs in 2006. Electrical engineering deals with the study and application of electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. This field has been around since the late 1800s, when electricity and the telegraph were commercialized. A person in this field may work in a power plant or possibly for an electrical company. Some practicing professionals implement their expertise to develop new designs for appliances and household items, while others may construct radar devices, GPS, or even work for NASA. Being an electrical engineer means that you have to be very computer-oriented because most everything electronic deals with computers. This field is predicted by the BLS to grow more slowly than average, even though there will be a demand for wireless phone transmitters and giant electric power generators. Last, we have mechanical engineering. This field applies physics and material science to analyze, design, and manufacture various systems. According to the ASME.org, this field has surprising characteristics that lay ahead for its future employees. The article states that there will certainly be an increase in jobs, but due to our constant advancement in the world, the critical knowledge and competencies required in the field are going to be very demanding. Our future in the automobile industry weighs heavily upon the scrutiny of mechanical engineers. This field has a strong background in engines, aerodynamics, turbines, and many other hands-on duties. All in all, engineering is a very vast subject that we have only begun to delve into. There are over 35 engineering disciplines that offer degrees here in the U.S. Add that to the number of field-trained engineering disciplines such as locomotive operators and military engineers, and you have a boatload of jobs and information. You will find that a lot of engineering work is done hand in hand. By that I mean that it is very common to see several different engineers from different disciplines working together on the same project, trying to utilize their expertise to create something wonderful. I am not sure that any of us can state a direct definition for the term itself, but I like Richard Nalin's definition the most. He said that an engineer is someone who does with $1 what any bungler could do with $2.